Hello everyone. Bhene ghalun Sungtache Hooman.
What?
I meant Goan Prawn Curry with Ladyfingers. Who doesn't love it? Let's see how to make it today. We're using 20 medium-sized prawns. The size is important because we want to cook it together with the ladyfinger. Cut each ladyfinger into 2 to 3 pieces depending on the size. I have used 10 ladyfingers. For the masala paste, use 1 cup of fresh or previously frozen and thawed coconut. Add 1 teaspoon coriander seeds, about 8 to 9 peppercorn and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. I'm using a blend of Bedgi and regular chilies. The Bedgi is used for the color and the regular chilies for the spice. You can change the number of chilies used based on your heat tolerance level. Add 1 teaspoon of tamarind pulp. We now add water for grinding. If using previously frozen coconut, use warm water. Look at that texture. We call it gandha vatap or fine texture. Heat 2 teaspoons of oil. I am using coconut oil, but you can use any neutral tasting oil. Add half a cup of finely chopped onion. We are going to fry it until it develops a light brown color. The caramelized onion gives it a good flavor and taste. Now go ahead and add the prawns and fry it for about 2 minutes so that the flavors develop. Now add the ladyfingers. We are also going to add about 1/4 cup of the ground paste with 1 cup of water and a teaspoon of salt. The ground paste has tamarind, so this prevents the okra or the ladyfingers from getting slimy during the cooking process. We are going to give it a good mix and kind of submerge it under the water so that the okra and the prawns cook properly. We are going to cover this and let it cook for about 10 minutes over medium flame. The entire curry is actually cooked over medium flame only. After 10 minutes, check if the bhindi or the ladyfinger is cooked. We now add the remainder of the ground curry paste and then add water. There are no ground rules for water. You can add it based on the consistency that you desire. Season the curry with enough amount of salt. This is also a good time to run a quick taste test to see if the seasonings are correct, such as chili powder and tamarind. Look, this is the consistency. When the curry comes to a boil, switch off the flame. So here is my Goan fish thali with prawn curry rice, fried fish, Sungtache Suke and Bhene bhaji. Not to forget the Futi Kadi. If you like this recipe, please leave a comment. Stay fit, stay happy. Until next time, take care.